What is up, YouTube? It's early morning, Sunday. Don't judge my legs and feet. So I'm about to start working on the Harley. I just got done doing an oil change and the primary oil change as well. And I also have to take these exhaust manifold covers off to sand them down and repaint them. I got one of them off so far, which is right there, and I'm gonna get the other one off in a minute. But what I'm about to do now is switch out the factory headlight. So let's get things started. Okay, so this factory light isn't that bright, which I'll throw up how it looks in the daytime right here, but I'm basically not too fond of it. And a lot of people have that Daymaker headlight, but unfortunately that Daymaker headlight is anywhere from $200 to $400 if you want the Harley brand. I myself went with Sunpie. So let's crack this baby open and see what we got. You get a manual. I know some people who love manuals. It's an inside joke. And you get the light, which is right here. Feels pretty hefty, pretty good quality. I heard it's pretty quick to install. All you got to do is remove this trim ring by loosening this screw right here, and you pop it off and put the new one in. So let's see how long it takes me.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay. All right. Whew. Took a little work. It's hard to stuff that wire behind the light, but we got her in. So let's take a look. I myself think it looks amazing. Let's turn it on and see how the light looks on. We'll get a better look at it in the nighttime, but for now, let's take a peek. Has a really nice look. Let's check out the high beams. I myself think it looks amazing, but we'll have to see how it does at nighttime. But I put a link to the product I bought down in the description, but it's the Sunpie Daymaker headlight for Harley-Davidson. But now I'm gonna work on this a little bit more and then go get dressed, because I'm pretty sure I don't smell so good. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Plenty more videos to come. Infinite Rider signing out. Peace.